Okay, so today I will talk about how to check the loss communication between inverter and grid meter, also PV meter. And so you can see the alarm for inverter and grid meter or the PV meter. You can also check them in the Bluetooth. So if you got smart meters, please refer to the right table. So you have to go to the remote configuration and then testing device. You have to have the right meter. First, check connection. So basically you have to connect the 25 and 25 of the smart meter to the two pins, and you have to connect in this way and then connect to the connector and then connect to the inverter. So if you don't do this way, it's likely not going to work. And in case if you don't have RJ45, you can also make a direct connection like this one. So as long as this one have connection with this one and that one, that will work. And you have to check here the connection. Basically, if you have two smart meters, then you connect them together, like parallel coupling. Then you put them together, and here. And the only thing you have to do is change the address of the PV meter to 2 and grid meter to 1. And here's the connection. As you can see, the right side is a grid meter and left side is a PV meter. And here is a closer look to the connection. As you can see on the left side, mid A here is connected to mid A port, and mid B is connecting to mid B port. And you have to use the RJ45 from the box. Like if you have another connector from another box, then it's not the same. You have to make it to pin 1 and 2. Then check meter settings. So here is older, more complicated meter settings, and you just follow the steps here, step by step, and then those ones are default, like port, address net, and baud are default correct. You just have to change the address. For AC coupling, grid meter is 1 and PV meter is 2. You just have to change this one. You can refer to the comments below for some more details. Here is like a new meter, which you only have to change the address. And it's default 1. You need to change to 2 if needed. Yeah, so here is like a correct setting. If you want, you can also watch on YouTube in my channel. If you search smart meter, then they will pop up how to do the settings. You can check the videos. Check everything, but still got problem. What I suggest you to do is you take out the black connector while this side connecting to a smart meter, and then you measure the voltage between 13 and 14. And the 13 you have the red probe, and the 14 you have the black probe. Then you should get around 3 to 5 volts. If you have like -4, that means you have to like switch the mid A and mid B so that everything is aligned. So you check everything. Smart meter 24 goes to RJ45 pin 1, goes to black connector mid A. Everything accordingly. So like I said before, you measure the current the voltage. First on smart meter, it's plus 4.5, and if you put here, it should also be plus 4.5. So here are some of the sum. From my experience, if you communicate to grid meter but not PV meter, then probably address for your PV meter didn't change. You just need to change to 2 If both meter have problem, then it's likely like your wire got problem. Like if you don't have any voltage, then it means you have to make a new wire so that it has voltage on the black connector. If it's minus, then just change the place. And the communication icon should stay on after the correction. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. And please refer to the comments. I have some extra materials you can check.